Just a quick demonstration of the Yealink MVC860 system that we've installed. Comes with this touchscreen which can be either wall mounted or on your main table. This is a divisible room, so we've gone with in-ceiling speakers and microphones in each half of the room, and we have an activation switch to disable the second half of the room as required. You'll see here in the little camera view in the corner there that the camera is just on the normal mode, but if we do want to go in here and change this to, instead of auto framing, we want to change it to multi-focus. What that will do is, if I was standing here, as you can see in the screen, it will actually zoom in straight on my face, and then if someone else starts talking over here, it will make a new frame for that person. So that's using a smaller camera on that display. The other very popular one here is presenter tracking. So once we change it to presenter tracking and we hold up our hand to show that we're the presenter, it will zoom in on us and follow us around the room. So as you can see there, it's now tracking me wherever I move. And if I come over to the whiteboard here and start work on the whiteboard, it'll keep focused on what I'm doing. And then to actually cancel it, you hold up your fist and it'll go back to just the standard default position for the room. So those are a couple of the features of this Yealink system, AV King, if you'd like to get a quote on one of these systems in Brisbane. Thank you.